Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Red Lobster employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Red Lobster employee login. It will take you to this interface. Over here, click on the first option, Sign in to Red Lobster. It will take you to the official website of Red Lobster. In this interface, on the right-hand side, you can see the sign-in options. Enter the email address of your account over here and your password of your account. Click on Sign In. You must be able to sign in to your Red Lobster employee account. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you guys can click here, Forgot Username or Password to recover it. And if you guys need any help, you can click here for help. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.